So this is the Caliber from a Caliber Scientific Calculator from CVS. And I was curious to see if this calculator has the same type of format with other calculators that I have. Like for example, the Casio. The Casio FX115ES Plus. And you can see that it has a very similar design, but not quite. Not quite. Like a fraction button and a square root button, a square button, caret key, log, natural log. Having those keys in a row is a little suspicious. Plus or minus key, like the time, I guess the degrees, hour, time maybe, hype, sine, cosine, tangent, right? Recall, engineering, parentheses. This SD key is to do fractions, I believe, and decimals. And then the plus memory key, right? INS, delete, AC, right, off. And then this is unique. This is interesting, Casio, right? Having 4 of these, not having up and down. Times 10, right? Pi, answer equals, right? No percent here. I'm not sure where the percent is over here. If I see it, I'll show it to you. Random number, you see that? Statistics, I'm not sure if that's the statistics button. But look, this one has matrices. Not sure what conv vectors. A lot more. Mode, see that? On, shift, and alpha. So these two seem to be similar, but I think this is way more advanced, of course. There's a pen and gear calculator that Walmart sells. And you can see, look, ABC, square root, x squared, y to the x on this one with caret key, log, natural log, plus or minus key, this key, I guess the hours and minutes, hype, sine, cosine, tangent, recall, engineering, comma, and memory, INS, off, AC, delete, the key structures on the adding, subtracting, DRG, percent, wow, equals answer, exponent, R&D, random number here, sum, var, sum bar, definitely very similar. Let's see, even the mode, let's turn this on. This one seems to have died on me. Sometimes, oh, that's too bad. I don't know if it stays on by accident. We'd have to look at that. But you can see it's very similar. Oh, that's too bad. This is way less expensive. This pen and gear, I think, is $5. This Caliber, I think it was $16. Definitely have a similar key layout, but the keys, the icons are a little bit weird. I'm gonna have to figure out what's up with that. Now, definitely, the Caliber is not a Sharp calculator. The Sharp calculator has a way different design. Now, the color schemes are different, I guess, to vary, but it's not a Sharp. It's looking more like a Casio, and there are some old Casios that I think this represents, like from the 90s or something. And here's another Casio, the FX300ES. I think this 300ES is probably more similar to the Caliber. And I think they almost go in the same price range. But you can see it's a little bit different in design. Like the button feel, mode and on, and x to the -1 is over here. But this row is the same. A, B, C, this is a fraction button, square root, x squared, caret, log, natural log, plus or minus, minutes, hype, sine, cosine, tangent, recall, engineer, and parentheses. This is a nice key again. And what it does, I believe, is it can give you the decimal version and the fraction version. Much better, more, I think, more solid calculator. And I think the price, I'm not sure what the price difference is. Maybe I'll look it up. I'm not sure why, why sell this. Maybe less expensive, maybe a different demographics in terms of having access to technology, maybe. And you can see these keys, the add subtract keys. That's a Casio thing, I think. So these two are very similar to the Caliber, and this Casio is more advanced, the FX115, and this Sharp is definitely has a nice feel to it. All these keys are, they're very generic. Nothing like an HP 1980s HP calculator. Okay, so that should give you a sense of the Caliber and how it sort of diversifies itself, or is it really a Casio calculator in disguise? So, if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your teachers. Please tell your friends. And I hope you have a great semester. Bye-bye.